Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers here. So at first, open your phone dialer, and that's the first method. Go to keypad and enter a secret code, which is *06#. And here you've got device info with your IMEI numbers. Then smoothly go back by tapping on cancel, and let's open IMEI number along with serial number via settings. To reach it, you need to click on settings, pick hard reset, or actually your account. So you'll notice here your name, your username, and then click on this iPhone. And that's it. Here it is, so you can smoothly read your serial and IMEI numbers. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.